Hello bachcho. So this problem has been asked in JEE Main examination. It is given that a particle moves in a straight line so that its displacement varies with time as x square equal to 1 plus t square. Its acceleration at any time t is x to the power minus n. So we have to find value of n. So to solve this, first differentiate both sides with respect to time. So we will get 2x into dx by dt. That is, we will apply chain rule to differentiate left hand side. So left hand side becomes 2x into dx by dt, or right side में आ गया 2t. This 2 will cancel out, and dx by dt is velocity. So we get x into v equal to t. Now again differentiate with respect to time. So we will apply product rule on left hand side. So we get dx by dt into v plus x into dv by dt, और t का differentiation 1 हो गया. Now dx by dt is v, so this becomes v square plus x into a. So v square plus x into a equal to 1. So from here we get a equal to 1 minus v square upon x. अब यहाँ से देखें v की वैल्यू उठा ले यहाँ से, तो v की वैल्यू होगी t by x. इसको यहाँ पर पुट कर दें. So we get 1 minus t square by x square upon x. So x square LCM ले लें, then we get x square minus t square in the numerator, और x square नीचे चला जाएगा, we get x cube. So this is the expression for acceleration. Now from here we can see that x square minus t square is basically 1. So यहाँ पर 1 रख दें, so we get 1 upon x cube. So this is basically x to the power minus 3. So n will come out to be 3. So 3 is the answer. Thank you.